Hey, let me show you 5 of the best features of the OnePlus Nord CE for Lite 5G. And first of all, I want to show you some really useful options. And we can actually find them by going into the security and the privacy. And here we can find 3 of these 5 features. So when you scroll down, you will be able to find app lock. So yeah, you can actually lock your apps, any application. You can just set the password by simply clicking on the switcher. And you can even use your fingerprint to actually get access into this app. So now, when I try to open the clock, I have to input my password or use the fingerprint sensor. There we go. So it's really useful to protect your privacy. If you have any sensitive data or information on your apps, just remember to use the app lock. And the same for the hiding apps. Yes, you can actually hide your apps. You can do this for every application that you have on your phone. So take a look, I've got the Google Chrome, but if I try to search for it, it will be not visible to anyone because I just simply put it into the hide mode. And now if I want to actually access into these apps, I have to click here, tap on the pound, then input my code, click on it one more time, and now I can get access into my hidden apps. The next one, it will be definitely the private safe. So it's also about the privacy. So we can actually put here your images, videos, audio, other documents or other files and get them encrypted. So only you've got access into this data. So in my case, I've got some video and some photos. Another tip will be available in the apps, and you can actually clone any application. I mean, maybe not any application, just some most useful, the most popular social apps like Facebook, Messenger, WhatsApp, or for example, the Telegram. And now when I open my app drawer, I can actually find 2 WhatsApp accounts and the same with the Messenger. So if you are using this, for example, the first account for the business or this and the second one for your personal usage, you can do this by using 2 apps. You don't need to log in and log out. You've got simply 2 different apps. And now the last feature that, in my opinion, is like really useful for this smartphone, it will be definitely not here. We have to actually go into the special features. We've got the quick launch. So when you lock your phone, and then if you are using the fingerprint recognition, you can click and hold the sensor, then wait for the pop-up menu, and now you can quickly open any application that you have on your phone. For sure, you can customize it by going here. You can add another application, so we can get here 5 different apps by clicking on edit. You can bring here any function or any app that you have on your phone. And this is it for this video. Right now, please subscribe and see you in my next video.